I used to think the idea of balloons at a wedding was super tacky. Balloons are for kids' parties and carnivals, right? Well, not anymore. Some cool new stuff is happening in the world of balloons, and now it is possible to have balloons at your wedding and still be super classy. Are you considering making a balloon garland for your wedding day, but have no clue on how to make one? I've made a bunch of them for our events, now that I've seen that they really can add some fun pop for an affordable price. So you're in luck, because in today's video, we're showing you step by step how you can make your very own balloon garland for your big day. What's up, future newlyweds? It's Leanne, back with another video to help guide you as you plan your wedding. If you're new here, then you should definitely subscribe. We release a new video every week to help you plan your wedding. Let's first start off with what a balloon garland is and how you can incorporate it into your wedding day plans. We've seen them at lots of different kinds of events, but for weddings in particular, I think they can be fun for a few different purposes. While I am not typically a fan of more traditional balloon bunches, remember that kind of feels like a kid's birthday party, or super formal balloon arches, kind of feels like prom or a fundraiser, I think an organic balloon garland can really work, depending on the style and color of the balloons. My favorite applications of the balloon garland at a wedding are to accent a specific setup, for example, your welcome or dessert table, or to create a fun photo op for you and your guests. If you're going for a really whimsical feel, you might even opt to use a balloon garland as part of your ceremony backdrop. What makes a balloon garland organic? This just means that it isn't perfectly structured and doesn't necessarily create a symmetrical shape. The organic balloon garland tends to look a little more wild or haphazard. If you want to make one of these for your wedding, here's what you'll need. Balloons. Consider different colors, textures, styles, depending on your vision. An electric balloon air pump. This will save your life. A balloon decorating strip. These are usually clear. They help connect the balloons to each other to create the garland. 3M style removable wall hooks. Make sure the walls you plan to attach your balloon garland to are smooth and clean. Glue dots or balloon adhesive. These help make it easier for you to hide the balloon decorating strip when you're finishing your garland. Fishing line, which you'll use to attach the balloon garland to the wall hooks. Scissors to cut the fishing line to the right length. Now that you have all your supplies, what do you do? Typically, I start by mapping out a loose plan for my garland by estimating how many balloons I want to use. Then, I start inflating my balloons with the electric pump. You can choose to either inflate all of your balloons and then assemble the garland, or assemble the garland as you inflate the balloons. Either way works. After you inflate the balloons, you'll pull the tie portion of each balloon through the decorating strip, firmly but gently so that it stays attached. Keep repeating this step with each balloon and you'll begin building your garland. As you do, don't worry at first if it doesn't look like anything is happening. As you continue to add balloons, it will begin to take shape. Once you have added enough balloons to your garland and it has grown to a size and length you like, you can be done with that step. To hang the garland, mount the wall hooks where you want the garland to go. Use the fishing line to connect the garland to the hook. You can typically manipulate and shape the garland as you choose if you do so gently. Once you have it set the way you want it to go, use extra balloons and the balloon adhesive to attach additional balloons to any part of the garland that you see any of the balloon decorating strip showing through. Keep in mind that once assembled, you'll need a large vehicle to safely transport your balloon garland. If you don't have access to that kind of vehicle, you may need to put your garland together on site at your event. Now, are you also considering having a donut wall at your wedding? Watch the video linked up on the screen next to learn everything you need to know as we walk you through step by step on how to make your very own donut wall. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.